everyone, welcome to Eswatini Arts Voices, where we do real conversations. This program is proudly brought to you by Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture and its mandate to promote local creatives. My name is Temdeni Dlamini and I'll be your host. Namuhla we have our newly crowned queen. Skhumbule ukuthi over the weekend we had Miss Mayuane pageant lebe isemkhuzweni sports ground. So I'll just allow her to introduce her. Hi sisi kunjani?
Yebo Nkosi unjani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Ngiyaphila nami.
To someone who doesn't know Sobahle, ungachaza nje kanjani wena ukuthi ungubani uqhamuka kuphi?
Ngiyabonga Nkosi. Libito lami ngisobahle ngakandwandwe engichamuka eBuhleni khona enkundleni yaseMayiwane esigodini saseMafundini.
Why did you join Miss Mayuane nje umjoineleni ne pageant?
Okay, kwecala lengakusho ukuthi ngijoineleni ipageant. Ngijoineliswe ukuthi I just wanted to show myself ukuthi I'm enough. And bengifuna just to push myself out of the comfort zone to try new things.
Okay. Okay, now that you've won when you're the queen, Miss Mayuane, how does it feel like nje ukuthi wena out of all laba mfili bajoinile la bakhethe wena ukuthi you're the queen?
No, I'm so happy, like ngijabulile. Gonna benginema mixed feelings that day in crown, but I was so happy.
Okay.
Benginako ukudoubt, but the moment but I announce lapha bathi yo contestant number 16. Yo, like kwathangkhale, but at the same time I was so happy.
You're so happy. So to someone nje lofisa join a pageant, what would you say to them? Kuthi like yini lo ngamba encourage ukuthi bayende ukuze nabo bajoin a pageant?
Okay. Umuntu lengam encourage ukuthi ajoine ipageant ngisho ukuthi kumele abe ne confidence. They should believe in themselves in whatever labakwendako. Umuntu athi believe like angavumeli bamfu labakhuluma ema negative outside like ukuthi bamdispower yabo. Umuntu nje ahlala ne confidence ngaleyo ndlela leyo and futhi lokho ngingaminda kusagcina ayithanza ne modeling.
So you love modeling?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so hence why when you decided nje ukuthi ujoin i-pageant ukuthi uthanze modeling. Okay. So nyalo that you've won wena so Miss Mayuane yini wena lofisa kuyendele community yakho yaMayiwane? Like what are you hoping to achieve udabendela in wena as a queen? Because I believe ukuthi lokujoina kwakho le pageant akusiwo ukuthi you're just the queen. Funa ukuthi i-community yakho ibone ukuthi Sobahle kahle kahle uyiwinele ne pageant.
Okay, mine ngafocusa kubamfu labasha. Kuthi bamfu labasha basitakale emangweni ukuthi umuntu nje akadithembe like angavumeli bamfu like bamdispower ngaleyo ndlela. Futhi ngiba encourage ukuthi bamfu they should pursue their dreams yabona. Even though noma ngabe ukulejeni usapheshisa i-dream yakho, if ufaila ungayekeli and futhi don't call yourself a failure ngaleyo ndlela yabo.
Talking about if failure nje kukumisa kancane, like as usa preparation for the pageant, were there any challenges usenda nje ukuthi before nifike kule final athi ma challenges that you faced wena kule pageant, and how did you overcome lama challenges lawo lo wafacile?
Okay, bekakhona ama challenges cause nje lapha ama challenges ngibenginawo yabo benginik doubt yabo doubt like serious ngathi ngiyabuka no la angifiti, but at the same time ngibe like no, I know myself, I can do this.
Okay, that's
yeah.
Nice. What else lebe we challenge njengoba bekumadima?
No, lebe kumadima yabona iluvalo belikhona. Angifuni nje ngisho uluvalo belikhona na nangiperforma lapha the audience bengibangela ukuthi ngichoche, but no ngibe like Sobahle focus, you know.
Okay. That's
Focuses,
really nice.
yeah.
Okay, to someone nje lofisa kujoyina lo seMayiwane ukuthi like bakubone wena as the queen, because nendlela ototiphatha ngayo kufuna babone ukuthi this is our queen nabo labafisa ukujoyina yini lo ngabatshela yona ekhaya nje ukuthi okay wena njengoba sowinile bona if bafuna ukujoyina ama pageants yini lekudinga ukuthi bayende.
Okay, lengakusho mina ukuthi umfula ofise kujoyina these pageants kumele atiphathe kahle. Cause kude lokwendlula kutiphatha kahle nje especially us ma girls yabo ngiva ngazothi kutiphatha kahle kuyi-achievement kukhona kufana nje kutimele eceleni.
That's very true.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so bahle. Singakafiki nje ngasekugcineni what would you say to someone ekhaya kuthi nje like wena uthanza in besides nje ukuthi uwinile Miss kuba Miss Mayiwane, what else do you like to do?
Okay. Lengithanza kwenda okay le modeling bengithanza yabo but bengidoubt ngasho kanjalo because this was my first time ngaba like no I should try it yabo njengemvo lengithanzako bengibukela le khashane le but nje benguthanza honestly yeah nekuhlala ke umuhle ke I like things yabo so yeah
Uqhubeke ke ube muhle Sobahle njengoba leli gama lakho lisho ukuthi Sobahle mina ngikuthi umuhle njengoba umuhle kaso uqhubeke utiphathe kahle. Before we come to the end of our podcast nyalo nje kwegcina kungaba ukuthi wena yini nje longayifisa kuyiachieve kule reign yakho yokuba Miss Mayiwane because angithi iba ngumnyaka yini longafisa ukuachieve kule reign yakho yokuba Miss Mayiwane.
Lengafisa ukuachieve ukuthi ngingagcini ekubeni Miss Mayiwane ngichubeke ngingenelela leminye lamanye ama pageants la ngedolo kwa Miss Mayiwane.
Okay.
Ngiko lengifisile ukuachieve
ungajoyina lamanye ama pageants lamakhulu kuna Miss Mayiwane.
Exactly.
Okay, that's really nice. Bukele njengoba sotivele the importance of kuba ku pageants uyasho Sobahle ukuthi lana it will help a young girl ukuthi nayo iphathe kahle njengoba naye asho ukuthi utotiphatha kahle nalokunye lokunyenti ukuthi uto bring her back to a community yakhe yaseMayiwane. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Until next time.